Yo, I'm Jeff, and this is Mini Garage. Today we're out here still working away on Cobb's old truck. We set the bed on here, and he's pulling the bulkhead so we can start the body drop on the back. Get the bed kind of going how we want it. So we'll finish the unconventional body drop on the bed. So he's gonna continue to take the bulkhead off, and we'll take a look at where we're at. Cobb, you look awful studious in your new spectacles.
You see.
You can see?
You see.
Can you see me?
Clearly.
Oh, I'm sorry. All bolts out now? Should be. Well, there you go. One bulkhead out of the way. Okay. We're not going to use that one, so put that over here in the scrap pile, because that is bent to shit. Now, just like we did on the red truck, we're gonna make some cuts. But this, we're gonna be a little more strategic, because this came with this big hole, gaping hole cut in it, and we're gonna change some things. So, first thing, Cobb, is you're gonna cut. You're gonna cut right down this line here, all the way down. Okay? Cut that all the way down. From there, all the way up. Both sides. Now that both sides of those are cut, we're going to cut along the top here, inside this, all the way down to here. We'll cut all the way down here where this other cut is. Okay? Did that go upside down? That probably looks weird. So let me move this. You'll cut all the way just under this, all the way down till you get to the end of the wheel well. Okay, so now he's got all this cut out. And if you look at the back, because we dropped the frame rails a couple inches, we don't have to body drop the back of it. So when we put the new floor in, we'll just have a spot here come up to clear the notch, and they'll be all flat. Should look pretty slick. So when you open the tailgate, you won't see that big space. It's gonna be cool. What do you think, Cobb? You like it so far? So far. All right, well, we'll keep plugging away at it. So he got this panel cut out of another bed we're trying to save. But with, we still need to modify it some, so he's got some more cutting to do. So he's gonna cut the wheel wells out of this, but it'll have the flat floor that he wants. So we'll let him take the wheel wells out, and we'll show you where we're at. All right, so where we're at is we need to space. We need to have a spacer between the bed mount and the bottom of the bed. And what we've come up with is these 1.5 inch pipes, and we're gonna weld the factory bolt into the pipe so it threads in, and then weld a nut on a washer from the bottom, and so you can still bolt it in. It's either that or cut off the bed mounts and raise them up, and it would make a hell of a mess. You were really good at blowing.
Huh?
You were really good at blowing.
How do you find it?
Oh boy.
Huh?
Yeah. Is that all done?
What?
That's all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good enough.
Huh? Yeah, well, you have to weld it all the way around.
I think that's good enough to start.
Yeah. Now he's got the nut welded on the inside of that washer. The washer's going to be welded to the top. And then we'll have our little spacer. It'll thread into the bottom of the bed, and the bolt will go in from the bottom of the mount. And everything will be happy. So we got these mounts in on both sides. He's got the front bulkhead. He's gonna section. Now it will bolt back in place where it landed, and it would hang down. But then it's just ugly. We want it to bolt back up to the bed floor, so he's gonna section it. Well, he got the bulkhead bolted in. It's not tacked or anything. It's just bolted, top and bottom. We have to finish welding it later. But yeah, we kind of jumped ahead. So join us next time on Mini Garage, where we get the cab on and put this legacy sliding rag in. So, you know, he's young and he wants to do stuff and take it and show it off. So there's a show in a couple weeks. So we're throwing the legacy sliding rag in. Never done that before. So we're gonna give it a shot, and hopefully we'll get this truck to a show in a couple weeks. Till next time, Mini Garage. Peace out, yo.